Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Wednesday, June 6, 2018. Today is one of those days where I have to laugh. And I've been trying, for those of you who pay attention, to be very nice to the Confederacy of Dunces over there. I haven't even mentioned that phrase in a little bit. There's a reason for that. I'm trying to, I don't know, turn over a new leaf maybe. Not really. Look, here's the situation. It's insane. This morning, prior to the market open, stock futures were up, I would say reasonably substantially. And the Confederacy over there, I'm talking about CNBC. That's what I was watching this morning. They had smiles on their faces like that would take up this entire screen. They're so gleeful. They're in some kind of an orgasmic state. Stocks open, yeah, they open higher, and then all of a sudden they start to give back their gains, and they're all sitting there looking at each other, going, well, why is this happening? Why are not stocks moving higher today? Look, they won't tell you the reason, and it's in their face. Maybe they're just too, frankly, dumb to know. The bonds are selling off. Bonds are selling off this morning pretty hard. And that is putting pressure on stocks. Again, the environment of risk must be maintained, suppressing those rates so cash moves into the stock market. Once this dynamic changes, well, you get this. Now, I'm not saying stocks are not going to go higher today. It all depends on the bond market. The dollar right now is weaker. This is bullish for the stock market. Multinational companies, you all understand how that works. A lot of people don't. If you don't know how that works, look it up. It's not that hard. So the dollar is in a good spot. Silver is up almost 1.5% right now. Gold is higher. Cryptocurrencies are catching a bid. But today is once again about the bond market. Now, I intend, at least I'd like to, enter a position today. More than likely, triple Q calls, SPY calls, maybe both. I don't know yet. But I am waiting to see them start to prop up that bond market. All right? You can take advantage of this as well. Again, on my website, just look at the bond market chart just under the chat room. There's a link in the description of this video. You start seeing those bonds get bid up. You're going to watch stocks start to catch a bid. That should be a signal to you to maybe get in there and buy some calls. SPY, triple Q, I don't know, pick one. It's the truth. Anyway, so that's what's going on right now, and we'll see. But if you have a minute, turn on the Confederacy, and they're like looking at each other. Why is this happening? It's frankly, it's too freaking stupid to be stupid. Watch the CNBC people. I know some of you watched this video. How about telling everyone how the bond market is selling off, yields are rising, and that's putting pressure on stocks right now. Maybe that's why stocks are not, keeping their gains as of yet today. Well, we'll see. CNBC Confederacy of Dunces. Once those bonds start getting bid up again, and they will, especially with the midterms coming here, boom, stocks will go higher. You see, I just made your life so easy. Confederacy of Dunces. All right, I'll see all of you at the end of the day. Over and out.